how to connect and accept PayPal payments on Base44. Sign into your Base44 account, then click on Apps and choose the app which you want to accept PayPal payments for. Once you open up the app itself, you want to give it this prompt here. Using PayPal, enable one-time currency data purchase, or you can do it for a subscription depending on your needs, and just send this message. Now it is going to plan the next steps. You will need to have a PayPal developer account, and you will need to provide it the PayPal client ID as well as your PayPal client secret. You can find that on this link, developer.paypal.com, and dashboard/applications. Once you fill out your PayPal client ID and also your PayPal client secret, you will click on Submit. This is going to authenticate the process with Base44, and then it is going to create either a button or a subscription button, depending on your app. And that is how you do it. That is how you connect PayPal to your Base44 project. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.